Understanding the phrase, pull one's weight. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of a common English phrase, pull one's weight. This expression is often used in everyday conversation, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and unpack this phrase together. The phrase, pull one's weight, refers to fulfilling one's share of a task or responsibility. It originates from the idea of each member in a team pulling an equal load, ensuring that the work is evenly distributed. When someone is pulling their weight, they are contributing their fair share to the collective effort. 1. In the workplace. Imagine a group project where each member has specific tasks. If one person doesn't complete their part, others might say that person isn't pulling their weight. It means they're not contributing as much as they should be. 2. In personal relationships. This phrase can also apply to personal scenarios, like sharing chores at home. If one person is doing most of the work, they might feel that their partner isn't pulling their weight. 1. Positive statement. Everyone on our team is really pulling their weight. We might finish the project early. 2. Negative statement. I wish Mike would pull his weight more. We're always covering for him, and it's not fair to the rest of the team. 3. Question. Do you think everyone in the group is pulling their weight? I feel like we might need to discuss our workload distribution. Understanding the phrase, pull one's weight, can add depth to your English conversations, especially when discussing teamwork and shared responsibilities. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in using this phrase in various contexts. Thanks for watching, and remember, learning English is not just about studying the language, but also about embracing the culture and nuances that come with it. Keep practicing, and you'll be pulling your weight in English conversations in no time.